What is over the Aubrey?
There's been a special someone at our school this week.
I hesitated. You paused.
He was hiding next to the evac chair near Mrs. Lund's room.
Good job to everyone who gets square. Are we doing nothing?
I have one. I already lost my New Year's revolution. I keep that. Oh my god. Resolution. I don't have one. I already lost my New Year's revolution.